Every bottle of Fanta soda begins here, in sun-drenched citrus orchards cultivated for vibrant flavor. Modern harvesting machines gather citrus efficiently, scaling raw ingredient supply for global Fanta soda demand. Logistics teams load citrus harvests efficiently, launching the supply journey powering continuous Fanta soda production.
We have 3 more trucks coming in before noon.
The conveyor can handle the volume, but make sure the weighbridge clears up.
From fertile orchards, citrus journeys onward, soon transforming into the sparkling refreshment known as Fanta soda. Citrus shipments arrive in vast quantities, fueling the first industrial stage of Fanta soda production.
Thorough washing purifies citrus surfaces, safeguarding hygiene standards required for premium Fanta soda production.
Juice extraction systems press citrus intensely, producing the liquid foundation of every Fanta soda.
Pumped through steel arteries, citrus juice advances toward concentration, deepening the essence of Fanta soda. Evaporation removes water carefully, intensifying citrus essence required for bold, refreshing Fanta soda flavor.
Thickening stages intensify body and richness, forming the concentrated backbone of vibrant Fanta soda. Laboratory analysis verifies concentrate purity, protecting the trusted taste and safety of Fanta soda. Measured concentrate batches prepare for blending, setting the flavor foundation of sparkling Fanta soda. Citrus concentrate blends with sugar syrup, forming the sweet, tangy base of Fanta soda. Advanced flavor systems refine citrus notes, crafting the unmistakable taste profile defining Fanta soda. Automated dosing guarantees precise formulation, maintaining the dependable flavor consumers expect from Fanta soda.
Look at the ingredient metrics here.
Yes, the acidity is perfect for this batch.
finished syrup stands ready channeled, the concentrated soul soon becoming sparkling Fanta soda. Pressurized carbon dioxide reserves stand ready, powering the effervescence defining every Fanta soda.
Environments stabilize carbonation, preserving the crisp, refreshing bite signature to Fanta soda.
Reading is stable at 3.5 bar. Gas retention standards are met.
Confirmed. Noted.
Flavor testing confirms carbonation enhances, never distorts, the beloved taste of Fanta soda.
Now complete, carbonated Fanta soda stands ready for packaging and global distribution. Plastic preforms transform into bottles, engineered to showcase the brilliance of Fanta soda. Sealing machines lock carbonation tightly, preserving the lively sparkle within every Fanta soda bottle. Shrink wrapping bundles Fanta soda bottles securely, preparing them for efficient distribution handling.
Finished Fanta soda bottles stand packaged, marking completion of bottling before storage and distribution.
Advanced scanners inspect packaged Fanta soda, guaranteeing flawless presentation and packaging integrity.
Flavor Labs confirm packaged Fanta soda maintains its signature taste beyond the production line.
Climate control preserves beverage freshness, protecting packaged Fanta soda during extended storage periods.
Staging zones finalize packaged Fanta soda shipments, signaling readiness for worldwide distribution networks.
Container loading begins the final journey, moving packaged Fanta soda toward worldwide markets. Across oceans, Fanta soda travels international routes, connecting production origins with worldwide consumer demand.
Food service partners rely on steady Fanta soda supply to serve millions of customers daily.
From orchard origins to joyful moments, Fanta soda refreshes consumers across the world.